So that's what I thought you were going to grab, was those two small pieces, then we'd both grab the door.
Is that fun?
Then you had to try to be Mr. Badass.
Mickey Mac. Can you get the middle one? Nice little. Aw! On your bum. Good recovery, Bumblebee. Swing. Do you want to get the middle one, Mackie? Get the middle one. The middle swing. No, you just want to swing on that one more? Go. Yeah. Mackie? What's over there? Horsies? Yeah.